Our passion to bring a program called Nonpareil to Portland is driven by the fact we both have autistic kids. This is my son Daniel here, and that's Max's son Sam, who's 13, my son's 16. As you can see, they're very beautiful. Nonpareil is a non-profit working technology company that provides technical training and employment to autistic individuals. Currently located in Plano, Texas, and we're working with them to help expand the brand to the Northwest. Those are the founders there. It's important because 1 in 66 are now being diagnosed. 90% are unemployed, and 70% are unable to live independently. Students with ASD do not have the same pathway to independence that other people have. Often they find themselves at home with nothing to do, depressed, and their life is meaningless. So clearly something needs to be done. The lifetime cost is now estimated at $1.4 to $2.4 million. Millions are being spent on therapies, medications, and other forms of assistance. So this is why we're trying to start Nonpareil here, to offer them some kind of hope for their future. So they have great potential. Often they have unique skills, even photographic memories. And so they're living way below their potential in jobs that really are not meant for them. With the lack of sociability, Starbucks obviously doesn't work. What's the secret sauce is the special way the training is conducted. They have their own branded curriculum, small group classes for skill improvement, and they also undergo counseling at SMU to work on their team building skills. Research is used with quantitative survey, and we've also recently conducted qualitative research using a new perspective for those with reduced communication needs. We looked at 3 different constructs: social functioning, quality of life, and social thinking. With regard to social functioning, before Nonpareil, they described themselves as shut-ins. Now they go out, they have wonderful friendships, some carpool to work, and they even live with each other as roommates. So it's helping them find skill, independence, and purpose. This student says, "This certificate is for excellence in leadership. This means a lot to me because I never saw myself as a leader before." And they've learned to understand perspective. This student trainer says, "This is one of my best moments in the program. I've learned to read faces. There's a wide eyes open and a slight upturn of the mouth. When I see that, I know they're getting it and having fun."
So for the last 9 months, we've been aggressively pursuing our cause, which is really to use employment to improve health and pull these kids out of their basements and out of jobs at grocery stores into something transformative. Having a cause that's greater than yourself has enabled us to create a great team. We've got a team of folks who, some are personally connected to autism, others just really support the underdog, and they want to help us find a way to make this happen. We started recently with a camp, so we had our first programming camp. Our team, George Fox University in Nonpareil, Texas, came together and took 12 students through the camp. Some were so excited they even posted selfie videos on Facebook. After the success of our camp, we ran a crowdfunding campaign. We raised over $13,000, and we're using those funds to engage the community. And we're starting with an event next week, next Wednesday. We're actually going to be hosting that at eBay. They volunteered their space. We have little cards out front that you can take if you have a friend or a family member who's affected by autism, or if you're just interested in supporting us. The founders will be flown in from Texas. There's also going to be free beer and wine. Beyond a camp, we're looking at how do we create a sustainable campus environment. So we've started aggressively pursuing fundraising and grant writing, and we're looking at local universities as a connection because there's important skills these guys need around independence. Beyond Portland, we have a global vision. We see this as an opportunity to create a virtual learning environment. Think of it like a Khan Academy, but geared towards autistic individuals, which can grow and really create a virtual workforce that can be tapped in an open development community. And the sustainability of this, we see connecting into business. So our goal is to connect NP and be a valuable partner in engineering, prototyping, app development, and other capabilities that bring business ideas to life. So our goal in a few years, or hopefully even shorter than that, is to one day see one of you present your idea up here and actually talk about how Nonpareil helped you bring that to life. And that would really be the ultimate vision of our objective. Thank you.